Okay. Welcome back, boys and girls and boys. It's 4th of July. And we're gonna make it 4th of July. The best part about 4th of July is all the yummy food. And all the best yummy food is the Rice Krispie treats. So we're gonna make a Rice Krispie treat. So the first thing we gotta do is melt the marshmallows. So we put it in a pot. Oh! Make it pot hot. Rice Krispies and Krispies and look at Krispies for me. Just about done. Just about done. It's time to add the secret ingredient. The crispy rice. Extra crispy flavor. Now I just gotta mix them up nice and good with the marshmallows though. Time for the final step to make them really Rice Krispies. Just gonna take a little bit, make a ball with it, right on a plate. Just gonna make a few of these ones real quick. Hey, who took them all? There's only one left. Time to put these guys in the fridge for later. Gotta make them cold for later. While I was waiting for the Rice Krispies to dry, I got a little bit hungry, so we gotta work with making a hot dog. It's time to get a hot dog. So, gonna open these puppies up. Since 4th of July is all about fireworks, we're gonna work by the stove. So we gotta get a hot dog and the bun. And work by the stove. Now that it's done cooking, we can make it already. Oh! Gotta just put it in the bun. Happy 4th of July, everybody! Oh, 4th of July. It's finally time for fireworks, so we got a Rice Krispie treat and just sit back and enjoy the show. Wait, I have to light them? But it's scary to light them with fires. I'm gonna light it from it here because it's pretty scary, so here we go. That one didn't look very good. That one wasn't so good, so I think I like these ones better. That's nice. That's really nice. Get it away! Get it away! It works when you do it. These ones don't even really work that good. Well, 4th of July, but it's a fun holiday. It's very loud and also it's very bright, but it's good for Americans. So, I said it goodbye. But remember, Smokey the Bear will set you on fire if you do cigarettes. So be careful out there, guys. Happy birthday, America.